Welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to share some beautiful and creative DIY butterfly wall decoration ideas that will add a touch of whimsy and elegance to any room in your home. Whether you are decorating a child's bedroom, a living room, or just looking for a fun craft project, these butterfly wall decor ideas are sure to inspire you. Butterflies symbolize transformation and beauty, making them a perfect motif for home decor. Creating butterfly home decorations is not only fun but also a great way to personalize your space. You can use a variety of materials and techniques to create stunning butterfly designs that suit your style and preferences. One of the simplest and most effective ways to create butterfly wall decor is by using paper. Start by selecting a variety of colored or patterned paper. You can use scrapbooking paper, old magazines, or even wrapping paper. Trace butterfly shapes onto the paper and cut them out carefully. For a more realistic look, vary the sizes and shapes of the butterflies. Once you have your butterflies cut out, fold them gently along the body to give them a three-dimensional effect. Use double-sided tape or adhesive dots to attach them to the wall. Arrange them in a pattern such as a swirling cloud or cascading trail to create a dynamic and eye-catching display. If you are looking for a more permanent solution, consider making butterflies out of lightweight materials like foam or felt. These materials are easy to cut and manipulate, and they add a bit of texture to your wall decor. You can paint them in your desired colors or leave them plain for a more minimalist look. Use hot glue to attach the butterflies to the wall, ensuring they stay securely in place. This method is great for creating a whimsical atmosphere in a nursery or a playful vibe in a child's room. For a touch of elegance, try using metallic or glittery materials. Metallic foil, glitter paper, or even squins can make your butterfly decorations stand out and catch the light butterfly. Cut out butterfly shapes from these materials and layer them over plain paper butterflies for added dimension. This is perfect for adding a bit of sparkle to a living room or a sophisticated touch to a bedroom. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you.